Welcome back to the channel. This is Brampton Gardener, and this is Dexter. And Dexter is going to show you where all of my herbs are planted, right? I'm going to go find them. Oh, he's going to sniff it out. Let's go. Okay, for one, I know for sure, is up here in this planter. Oh, this is my bonsai. It's around the back here. I haven't planted these peppers yet. But there is my picolino basil. It's doing just fine. I am going to kind of keep rotating this though so it gets enough sun. So, oh, morning glory vine. We are going to come over here and look how big my parsley and my dill are getting. They're doing really well. Starting to fill everything else in. And, oh, the borage. Let's go find the borage. Where's the borage, Dexter? Where's the borage? I planted it all the way up here at the top. It's going to get lots of sunshine. I'm just going to have to remember to water it. And there it is. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Borage. All right, now what else was on the list? Okay, and here we are with my tray. And this is my thing that says Mexican mint. And there's like nothing there. So, I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if an animal got it or if it just, I mean, there's not even like a plant left anymore. It looks like my pineapple sage is actually starting to grow though. That thing is ridiculously tiny. So that's exciting. That's going to have to take the place of my Mexican mint, I guess. And then over here, I have my big old edible chrysanthemum, and it is doing just fabulous. So that is all that's left. So I'm down to 5. Dang it. Oh well, I got plenty of other things growing though, and still lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of plants that still need to get planted. I've been busy, but there's still a lot more to go. So anyways, this is my May 25th update for the planter growing challenge, and I look forward to see everybody else's. Good luck.